Complete the sentence by selecting the correct option. The Earth requires 24 hours for one rotation. In 1 hour, 5 longitudes will face the Sun, 10 longitudes will face the Sun, 15 longitudes will face the Sun, 20 longitudes will face the Sun. The Earth requires 24 hours for one rotation. In 1 hour, 15 longitudes will face the Sun. To calculate the difference between the local times of any two places on the Earth, the noon time at both the places should be known. The difference in degrees of their longitudes should be known. The difference in standard times of both the places should be known. Changes need to be made according to international dateline. To calculate the difference between the local times of any two places on the Earth, the difference in degrees of their longitudes should be known. The difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitudes is 15 minutes, 4 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. The difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitudes is 4 minutes. Give geographical reasons. The local time is decided by the noon time. As the Earth rotates, different longitudes pass in front of the Sun. The longitude facing the Sun as noon time as the Sun rays are right overhead. One can tell it is noon time without using the clock. It is easy to recognize. Hence, local time is decided by the noon time. The local time at Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. The Greenwich meridian is the central meridian dividing the world into two hemispheres. Hence, the local time of Greenwich is considered to be the international standard time. Countries to the east of the Greenwich are ahead in time, and the countries to the west of it are behind its time. The standard time of India has been decided by the local time at 82.5 degree east longitude. India has a vast longitudinal extent. The time difference between easternmost and westernmost longitudes is 2 hours. The almost central meridian of India is 82.5 degree east longitude. Thus, it is followed as the standard time by the whole country. Canada has 6 different standard times. Canada is the second largest country with a very vast east-west extent. The time difference between easternmost and westernmost longitudes is approximately 6 hours. Therefore, Canada is divided into 6 time zones and it follows the timings of 6 different standard meridians. Answer in brief. If it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude, then explain what would be the time at 30 degree west longitude. As we move towards the west of prime meridian in bracket 30 degree west longitude from the east of prime meridian in bracket 60 degree east longitude, the time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. The difference between the longitudes of 30 degree west and 60 degree east longitude is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Difference in local time is equal to 90 into 4 is equal to 360 minutes. Difference in local time in bracket hours is equal to 360 divided by 60 is equal to 6 hours. Since 30 degree west longitude lies to the west of 60 degree east longitude, it is behind the time. This implies that the time at 30 degree west longitude would be 6 am when it is 12 noon at 60 degree east longitude. How is the standard time of a place determined? The standard time of place is determined according to the central longitude of the country or the longitude in the multiples of 15 degree or 7.5 degree longitudes. In case of India, 82.5 degree east is the almost central meridian of India, which gives a time difference of 5 hours 30 minutes from Greenwich meridian time. In case of Pakistan, though 75 degree east is not the central meridian, but as it gives a time difference in 5 hours is the longitude in the multiple of 15 degree is taken as standard meridian time. A football match being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil started in India at 6 am IST. Explain what would be the local time at Sao Paulo. India lies to the east of prime meridian and Brazil lies to the west. As we move towards the west of prime meridian, the time decreases by 4 minutes for every longitude. Indian standard meridian 82.5 degree east longitude. Meridian passing through Sao Paulo 46 degree west longitude. The difference between the longitudes of India and Brazil, difference in local time is equal to 46 plus 82.5 is equal to 128.5 degree. That is equal to 128.5 into 4 is equal to 514 minutes. Difference in local time in bracket hours is equal to 514 divided by 60 is equal to 8.5 hours. That is equal to 8 hours 30 minutes. Since Brazil lies to the west of India, it is 8 hours and 30 minutes behind India's time. If the match starts at 6 am in India, it will be 9:30 in the night in Sao Paulo, Brazil. If it is 10 pm on 21st June at prime meridian, write the dates and time at A, B and C in the table. Place A. Longitude 120 degree east. Date 22nd June. Time 6 am. Place B. Longitude 160 degree west. Date 21st June. Time 11:20 am. Place C. Longitude 60 degree east. Date 22nd June. Time 2 am. Write the situations of place A shown in these diagrams in the boxes below them. In figure 1, midnight. In figure 2, sunset. In figure 3, sunrise. And figure 4, noon. Let's recall. Why does the duration of day and night keep changing? The duration of day and night keeps changing as the earth is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. How many longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each? 360 longitudes can be drawn on a world map keeping an interval of 1 degree each. The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of what? The apparent movement of the sun from east to west is a result of the rotation of the earth from west to east. What is the direction of the rotation of the earth? The direction of the rotation of the earth is from west to east. While the earth rotates, how many longitudes face the sun daily? While the earth rotates, 360 longitudes face the sun daily. At which longitude does the date change? The date changes at 180 degree longitude. How was time measured in olden days? In olden days, the time was measured with the help of the natural events of sunrise and sunset and the instruments like Gatika Patra, sand timer, etc. In present times, what are the instruments used for time measurement? In present times, the instruments like watches, calendars, etc. are used for time measurement.